How to book MyBus online. To book your next MyBus trip online, visit spt.co.uk/MyBus and select Book MyBus Online. The Sign and Register box will appear. Enter your client ID or email address and password and then click Sign In. If this is your first time using the system and you don't have an existing account, tap the Add icon. Once logged in, select Request Trip from the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. Fill out the required fields, pick-up details, drop-off details, date and time, and any additional options we should know, including adding additional passengers. Once complete, select Request Trip. If you're looking to rebook the same trip, click Select a recent booking and select your journey from the drop-down list displayed. Then select Request Trip. Your trip details and cost will now appear. Check these over and select Confirm Request. If you need to amend, then select Modify Request. Your booking request has now been received and will be scheduled by our team. Your trips can be viewed on the left-hand side panel. Select the trip booking entry to expand the detail and check the status of your booking. You can also cancel a trip by selecting Cancel and then Yes to confirm. The status of the booking will then be changed to cancelled in advance. If you require any help with your online booking, call 0345 128 4025.